How can you turn a simple sketch into an expressive artwork? In this video series, I'm talking about different mark making techniques and how you can use them to add life to your drawings. However, before we open our sketchbooks, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. So let's begin. Mark making is basically the art of playing with lines, dots and patterns to make your work more visually interesting. These marks can be loose and free or neat and precise, it's totally up to you. It's a big deal when it comes to finding your own artistic voice. Think of it as your way of expressing ideas and emotions without saying a word, plus it brings energy, personality and individuality to your pictures. In this video, I'm talking about how I use music to create different types of marks. I've been inspired by many different artists in history, many of which have used music to influence their artworks, including Wassily Kandinsky, Piet Mondrian and Paul Klee. Kandinsky was an abstract artist and famously described his paintings as visual symphonies. He is known for having synesthesia, which meant his sense of hearing triggered his sense of sight. The music composed by Richard Wagner profoundly influenced his artistic direction. Also, Piet Mondrian was deeply inspired by jazz music, particularly boogie woogie. His painting, Broadway Boogie Woogie, is a vibrant visual representation of the rhythm and energy of New York City's jazz scene. Paul Klee, in addition to being part of the Surrealist movement, was also influenced by music. He was inspired by the composer Johann Sebastian Bach and translated rhythm and harmony into his paintings. Using layered marks, he created paintings that look like musical compositions you can see rather than hear. So I was interested to explore how music affects my own artwork. To do this, I selected lots of music with varying moods. I opened my sketchbook and grabbed a pencil. I listened to each piece of music carefully and drew instinctive marks. Here's a montage sequence of the drawings I created with different types of music. Creating drawings to music is a useful exercise, and it can help you create a great set of marks and patterns which can inspire your future work. I'd love to see how you get on with this. Let me know in the comments. In my next video, I'm talking about how to use these different marks to inspire your own planned patterns. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more art inspiration.